The block is kind of silly. Let's go do that one real quick. So that was the end of the straight shape. So if the shape is the block, we're done. There is no rotation. That was easy. Okay. Now comes the harder of the shapes. So the T, L, and J all have 4 rotations. So let's begin with the T shape. And I'll leave the L and J for you to do. I'm going to go ahead and put in rotation sections of code. So if it's 0, we're going to do something. Otherwise, if the rotation is 1, if the rotation is 2, and if the rotation is 3. So 3 is going to go back to 0. So those are the 4 possible ways it can rotate. I'm going to leave 2 in place again. So I'm going to put in an extra line comment. So the starting position is 1, 2, 3. So those are the locations of the blocks when they start. So if I am rotating, I'm going to grab these so I stop misspelling block 4. I need to change this So if I rotate clockwise, which is my plan for all of these, 1 will be there, 2 is going to stay in place, but 4 is going to be next to it, and then 3 will be below it. So 1 goes over and up, 4 goes up and left, 3 goes left and down. So speaking of which, if 1 goes to the right, that is plus 20. If it goes up, that's minus 20 in the y. 3 is going to go left, minus 20 in the x. Down is plus 20 in the y. 4 is going to go left 20. And it's going to go up 20, so minus 20 in y. Whew. So that's the rotation section. And then we check for collisions and move it back if that's not the case. So these numbers are going to be inverted here. So plus 20 becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Boy, this is pretty good actually. Minus becomes plus 20. And for block 4, minus becomes plus 20. Okay. That's still the straight piece. Let's change that so it's the T shape. Alright. Well, we need to set the rotations as well. So the first one worked, but because we didn't finish off our rotation code, so if we didn't collide, we need to set rotation to A1 so that it does this section down here. So now if I do it, it should not move again. Good. All right. I'm going to copy and paste this. A dangerous thing I know, but there's a lot of typing here. If the rotation is 1, we're going to change so that this is a 3, a 4, and a 1, and there's nothing there. So we're going to go from this spot into this. Okay, so the 1 is going to go right 20, and then down 20, so plus. While I'm here, let's just fix this one as well. 3 is going to go left 20, which it does, and up 20, so it's actually going to subtract here, add here. 4 goes right, so plus, minus there, and it's going to go up, so minus 20 plus 20. Good. And now we're in rotation 2. When we are in rotation 2, we're going to go to 3, 4, and 1. Yes, that looks good. So 1 is going to go left, minus and plus, down, so plus 20, that's good. 3 is going to go right, plus there, minus there. It's going to go up 20, so minus is correct. And then 4 is going to go right and down, so plus and plus. That changes to a minus. This will be rotation 3 if we're all good. 1, 2, 3. Home stretch. So 3 needs to get back to rotation 0. So it's got to get back to our original shape up here. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, just like we started. If you don't put them in exactly the same spots, if you accidentally moved the 4 and the 1 and switched them, that would cause serious problems when you tried to rotate again. So don't do that. Make sure your final rotation gets you back to your starting position shape, whatever that was. Okay. 1 is going to go left. And up. 3 is going to go right, so plus, and down, so plus on the y, and 4 is going to go left. Boy, is every one of these backwards? I think it is. And down, so plus on this. Every single one of them was the opposite. Moment of truth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And does it still work? We have a rotating shape. So your job then is to complete the other 4 shapes, S's, Z's, J's, and L's, and you have a completed Tetris game. Other things that you could add on, you could change the way that the speed works and the number of lines you need to complete, and you could also show what the next piece is going to be. The basic idea is that you would pick a random number beforehand for what the next shape is going to be, and then move whatever the next shape is to the current shape.